Hi everyone, it's Laura here from Making Cards is Fun. In today's video, I'll be reviewing 3D printed organizers from Make It By Marko, a husband and wife team from Indianapolis in the United States. I have great news for my fellow European crafters because these organizers are now available at Cloud9 Crafts. Cloud9 Crafts is the very first shop in Europe that has these products available for purchase. The first item I'd like to show you is the Peacock Blender Brush Caddy. The caddy is 3D printed in durable plastic and holds up to 10 blending brushes, including the Picket Fence and Nellie's Choice brushes. This organizer makes it really easy to pull out your brushes and put them back in. It takes up less space on your desk than storing the brushes in cups, which I used to do until now actually. This caddy comes in blue, pink, and transparent. I chose the transparent one since it matches with everything in my craft room and it just looks so clean and pretty. And I love how little space these organizers take up, so it's great for a small craft room. Next up is the Shammy case. The Shammy case obviously holds your lawn fawn chamois or any other chamois, cloth, or small towel. This case comes in several different colors and designs, and it will keep your desk dry while it keeps your chamois damp for at least a day and a half. The perforated design provides ventilation and will prevent your chamois from smelling and turning moldy, which can happen if you put it in a closed plastic container. And I think this yellow honeycomb design is just simply adorable. Finally, I'm showing you the glue holder. These glue tube stands come in 11 different colors and a really fun rainbow design. So instead of putting the cap on your product, you can just put the bottle right in there. And this is just a really great way to use glue bottles that are almost empty since they'll be ready to use when you need them. But it's also just really easy when you are working with your glue pen a lot and you just don't always want to put the cap back on while you're working on your project. So the bottom of the holder will protect your work surface from any glue leaking, and the best news is that this fits many different items including a lawn fawn glue pen, Nuvo drops, stickles, glossy accents, and so much more. So that's my quick review on these Make It by Marko organizers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. All of these organizers are now available for purchase at Cloud9 Crafts. I have links in my video description below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell below. I will see you very soon. Bye bye!